Hi guys, I'm at the Crooked Creek Spillway, also known as recreational outflow area. There's some life jackets right there. Oops, sorry. There's a little fishing pier down there. Sorry. There's a little fishing pier down there. There's even some gentlemen fishing over here, but I'm not going to film them because they didn't ask to be, so. But the spillway comes out like right over here. Well, I'm really good at this, aren't I? So that's the spillway. Some guys are fishing, but I'm not going to get them in the shot. I'm going to get them. Try to get the spillway to show. What they're doing right there. Look how nice. This place is just gorgeous. Western PA is gorgeous. A lot of folks shut their canoes off right here, inner tubes or whatever, and then they go downstream and get picked up. Right about where I used to go for the bridge, or even closer than that. But yeah, that's the spillway. See, a lot of overflow today. We just got some rain. That's about it. It's pretty nice. Hey, bye.